Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we even get started with this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that button. If you already are, thank you so much and welcome back. Now that we've got that little thing out the way, I wanted to come to you today and talk about my 2018 vision board and take you on the steps that I go through to kind of create a vision board. Now it's the beginning of the year. A lot of times people they set goals, they set resolutions. Sometimes people don't even stick with it 30 days in. And I think a vision board kind of helps you stick with it. It kind of creates a visualization of all the things that you probably want to do or reach or get to, throughout the year. So I figure a vision board is probably a best suited versus just kind of creating kind of like a resolution or a list of resolutions. The vision board has been around for a long time. People have been doing these things for years. It's kind of a trend. People do vision board parties and all of that good stuff. So I just want to take you through the steps that I'm going to go through to kind of give you an idea of how you can create your own vision board. So a vision board is basically a tool, a picture, or a board to help you clarify and concentrate all of your goals or things that you want to achieve within a certain amount of time. So that's basically, you'll be using images, you could be using periodicals. Today I'll be using all types of magazines. Magazines are kind of so dated, but I was able to pull some, magazines that I've had kind of laying around the house that I was actually for recycling, and I'm going to be going through those things to see if I can find some images that might suit some of the things that I had in mind for my vision board. And also another good source for getting images and stuff like that is Pinterest. I did go to Pinterest and I kind of picked out some images that I thought I would like to see on my vision board, and you can kind of do a copy and paste on your word processor and just print them out on paper like this. So the idea behind the vision board is that you would place a visual picture of something that you would like to achieve. The idea is that you place it somewhere in your house, hang it up so you can always see it, so it can be a constant reminder of things you want to do. Now let's be real with your goals, good people. Some people set goals that are just, I hate to say it, that are just not attainable. Be realistic, dream big, but be real with yourself. If you want to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, come on now, it took you probably 2 years to gain the 30 pounds. What makes you think you're going to lose those 30 pounds in 3 months? It's just not going to happen like that, good people. So be real with your dreams. Dream big, but be real. Be realistic, because a lot of times when you set big goals and you don't reach them, it can kind of be discouraging. So manage your expectations, set a standard, give yourself some grace, and then go from there. Right now I'm going to take you and show you how I'm going to create my vision board. I'm actually going to start with maybe 4 or 5 categories. I definitely recommend that, because otherwise your vision board can kind of get out of hand when you have so many things going on. And again, going back to managing your goals and making sure they're attainable. So the good thing to do, it would be to identify some things in your life that you want to do, you want to achieve, or maybe get better at. So I'll have 4 or 5 main categories for myself, and then we'll see what we do. So come along with me as I put all my pictures and my images together, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, I am just about trying to develop my board, but I kind of want to show you what I have already set up. I figured I'd spread out on the floor because I probably have more room than my dining table, and I wouldn't feel bad about having everything everywhere, because I know this is probably going to get bad. But nonetheless, so this is the cork board. I actually found this at Marshall's, I believe, and it already has this design on it, so I don't have to worry about covering it or trying to make it any prettier than what it is. I actually like the design, so I picked that up. I think I paid about $6. It wasn't that expensive. And I just picked up a few things from the dollar store, some ribbon, some highlighter markers and things like that I'm going to be using to just kind of make the board pretty. And I was able to find these vinyl numbers and letters just in case if I wanted to use some numbers, little clip things, because as your vision board, or as you progress through your vision board, things change. So you might want to clip some things, take some things down as you achieve them. You know, so you can use the clips for them. I have some markers here, some what is that, tape with like my theme is actually going to be pink, gold, and silver. I like to be consistent. I mean, I'm kind of an organized freak, and I think, you know, with it being organized, like I mentioned, the categories, it kind of helps me stay focused. I have some push pins. I also have some silver and gold thumbtacks, all from the dollar store, real cheap, and glue stick. These are some of the images that I was able to pull off of Pinterest, and we're just going to go through and kind of, you know, cut out the ones I want and use it for my board. I know I'm going to categorize it, like I said before, probably 4 or 5, and I actually went through the trouble about kind of typing these things out. And I got some magazines. Yes, they are old. I'm going to skim through them to see if there's something in there that I like that can kind of incorporate in there. It's probably going to take me some time, so I won't tape the whole thing, but I just want to kind of show you. And I picked magazines that I think that would inspire me in terms of, you know, the goals that I want to reach. So yeah, that's what you can possibly do too. I got a combination of fashion, style, a couple of, I even added a Parent magazine in here. Yeah, so that's that. I'm about to get started. I'm about to show you how I'm going to put this together. Hi guys, I'm back. So let me show you the finished product. This is what it looks like. Cool, right? I actually just used pins because I realized that just in case if I wanted to change this up throughout the year, I could. And with glue and stuff, I can't really do that without messing up the board itself. So I went on with the stick pins. I did use some of that glitter stuff to kind of section the stuff out, like I mentioned. And I started out with some sayings or slogans, if you will. This year I want to, and I put 2018 just to symbolize what year we're actually in. And I'm going to do what inspires me. Decide what it is you want. Write that down. Make a effing plan. And work on it every single day. Because that's what this thing is about, baby. And just do some epic shit. You know what I'm saying? Just get out there and do it. Just do it like Nike. So yeah, this is the result of the vision board. And the goal is to just kind of display this somewhere in your room, I don't know, in your closet somewhere, so you can see the visual every day and it inspires you. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there, and also turn on your notifications so you'll be notified of my next video. Until next time, ciao.